everybody. For those of you that are on all of our lives but managed to be in the Peppi Gel group, my name is Tiffany.
And I'm Maggie.
And we're the Peppi Gel girls.
How are you many viewers?
Babe, stop. Alright, so real quick, we just wanted to show you guys the quickest way to remove Peppi Gel. So right now we have 2 bowls of water in the microwave and they are warming up, and then I'm gonna have my husband actually bring them over to us, and then I'm gonna go ahead and soak my hand and show you guys how to do a quick removal real quick.
It's like the speediest, most amazing thing you will ever see.
Yes. So I think the bowls are about ready, and we're gonna go ahead and start that process as soon as he brings it over. And then we're still gonna do the normal live at 8:30 on the page, and we have an Amazon gift card giveaway.
So you have to stay tuned to see what Tiffany's got up her sleeve tonight. She's always got something up her sleeve.
Amazon gift cards. I don't even know what Manny I'm doing yet.
Do something fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
I don't even know what I'm doing
Show them
yet.
what we have on right now.
Okay, yeah.
How hot do you want? Is this hot enough?
Yep, that's hot enough. Alright, so we got 2 bowls of water. I almost forgot the acetone. 2 bowls of water, and we have 2 bags. Each bag has a paper towel inside the bag. The water's been warmed up. I did it for 1.5 minutes on the bowls, just because they're bigger bowls, and I wanted the water to like really warm up. And then now we're gonna just barely drench the paper towels.
Are you sad that you're taking off your gorgeous Manny?
I'm sad. I really, really wanted to get out of live tonight and keep it on. I'm not gonna even lie.
Look how long these fingernails are, guys. These are her own fingernails. Can you believe this? This is crazy.
So I'm not buffing. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm literally just gonna stick it in and start rubbing it off.
And the countdown begins. It is 7 o'clock on the dot.
7 on the dot.
At least on my clock.
So here we go. We're gonna do it.
So
I don't know if the group live is like our page live, so is there questions or anything? No?
It's like 50 people on.
Hi 50 people.
Sean Jennifer Gilmore is on. Jessica
Hi
Basminger.
Jennifer. Hi Jessica.
She's excited to see this.
Yep.
So let's talk about the acetone we're using. There's 2 kinds we like to use. Let me grab the second one real quick. Sorry,
my stamp design's already gone.
Oh.
I'm sad. I really wanted to keep this manicure on. I really did.
Alright, so we have the soak off coconut kind. We use this as pure acetone. Key is pure acetone. We also like to get from Sally's. You don't have to get it in such a large container, but we get this from Sally's. Also, it's pure acetone as well. We go through a lot of acetone.
We do. Well, we both do our nails every week, so. But actually, that gallon jug has lasted us for a year for both of us.
We don't use a whole lot of it.
Well, mine has. I don't know if yours has.
I think I've gone through about 2 of them.
Oh, my bad.
But
You want to, it's not even getting your bag. You want to point it down?
Yes, please. So the hubby is going to point it down so you guys can see.
They're asking how long it might take.
So this is going to take maybe 5 minutes or so.
So we're 1 minute in, 4 minutes left. That's not so
And
bad.
I'll show you. You can already see the removal happening on some of the fingers.
So let's talk about Peppi Gel real quick while we do this. What do you think?
Yeah.
So
I might have accidentally got water in this bag.
do you want me to get you another one?
Yeah. I accidentally got water in one of the bags. I wasn't paying attention and diluted it. We're gonna get another one. It's okay.
Is the water hot or is it warm?
The water it's not boiling hot, but it's a little bit more than warm. I do for about 1.5 minutes on my bigger bowls that I'm doing here. Sorry, we're just switching out the bags real quick. I get a little careless some days. Here we go. You could tell that the water got in there too. Yeah, so the water is it's as warm as I can stand it, but not boiling hot.
How long did we microwave it for?
1.5 minutes.
And right now we're just using cereal bowls.
We started at 7. It's been 2 minutes and it's almost off.
Look at that. no soaking. It normally takes 15 minutes and you keep looking and you're like, oh man.
Yep. And this hand's catching up over here.
How do you get off the pinky and the thumb? She struggles with that.
Oh, I just move my fingers around and rub them on the paper towel really fast. But yeah, I just rotate my fingers. So I'll do the middle ones and then I'll do the thumb. Just play
I did
around
this
with
for
it.
the first time last Tuesday, and I had that heavy, or this Tuesday actually, I had that heavy glitter on, and it took me a little longer, probably 6 or 7 minutes, because that glitter is really heavy that I mixed, but it's phenomenal. You don't soak and soak and soak.
We're at 3 minutes now. Almost off.
Look at this.
Someone
This is
asked, why'd you just
incredible.
switch to right-hand bag if you want to just let her know?
Oh, I wasn't paying attention and the bag dripped over, so I got water from the bowl inside the bag. So we just switched it real quick because it diluted the acetone.
So we have a couple ways to do removal. This is the fastest way that you're watching. So Tiffany is filled if you're just joining a bowl with hot water, not boiling. You don't want to boil your fingers
I'm gonna
off.
bring your face down. They want to see your pretty faces.
And then
Hi.
she filled this Ziploc bag. You could probably use a sandwich bag
Okay.
with a folded over paper towel.
4 minutes.
4 minutes, guys.
All that's left is one finger.
And we put probably like a 1/4 cup of acetone in here roughly, and off it comes. So this is the fastest way, about I would say 5 to 7 minutes, depending if you have glitter or no glitter.
Also depends how thick you apply it. If you apply it thicker, it will take longer. But I do 3 thin layers.
And let me get our silver bowl so we can explain those too.
Jenny just got on. Sherry.
Hi Jenny. Hi
Sherry just got
Sherry.
on.
I hope you ladies tune into our normal live. Okay, so it's still at 4 minutes. This hand's completely done. This hand's almost done, but I diluted the bag on accident, so I'm actually just gonna come over here real quick and just get it all off.
All right, so this is the fastest way, 5 to 7 minutes. Then we also sell these awesome soaker bowls. This is probably my second favorite way. Sorry, I've been using them for a while, so you're gonna see there. You fill this up with water. We sell these on our website. And about halfway, I microwave it for about 2 minutes. Then you put the acetone in the little finger soakers here. You clip it together, and this method takes, I want to say, about 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah, I mean, if
10.
you fill it all the way up,
And
it's
make
gonna
it
be
hot.
hotter water, because the plastic is thicker to go through. You're gonna be about 8 to 10. For live tonight, now I just need to decide.
We changed your world completely.
Yep. So I'm just
Pretty
gonna check
awesome.
a little bit in the crack. I'll get that off. But that's it, ladies. I just wanted to hop on and show you how we remove our Peppi gel.
It's pretty easy, pretty cool.
Any
Yeah.
questions?
Any questions for us?
Maybe. Let's wait.
Oh.
I'm gonna ask them.
Do you guys
You-
have any questions
I thought you
or
meant do we?
or
ask
anything you'd like to
questions?
know about us girls or Peppi gel while Tiffany finishes? We'll give you about a minute here.
Brianna
at
says
that.
this way doesn't work for her. Maybe what are the tips you can give Brianna to maybe see if it works for her?
Make sure your water's warm enough. Make sure you got enough acetone in there to cover the paper towel. And you want to use like a nice little baggie to put
Use
it in.
probably a good paper towel too, right? Like
A good paper
Downy.
towel and good acetone is what it's going to boil down to. If you're using acetone from CVS or Walmart or Target, it's generally not strong enough, like Sally's or the Soak Off that you can buy on Amazon.
Soak Off is 100% pure acetone, as well as the brand we get from Sally's is 100% pure acetone. The stuff you get that comes in that pretty little like skinny looking bottle from Walmart is not pure acetone, and
Yeah.
it will take forever.
Yeah, it's not strong enough.
Remind everybody, did you do any buffing at all?
I did 0 buffing. All I did was stick my hands right into the bag, and that's it.
Give them a close up real quick.
Yep. So there is a little bit of residue from the acetone on the nails, but I'm gonna go wash my hands, and it's gonna come right off, and they're gonna look good to go. And these are my natural nails.
How much? Someone just asked, how much of the top layer do you buff? No.
None. We didn't buff anything at all.
Not
Nothing.
with this method.
Yeah. If you're doing the soaker bowl or the Peppi removers or tinfoil, you'll want to buff a little bit. But nope, we didn't buff anything. That's it. So
Pretty
make
awesome.
sure that's about it for right now, ladies. I'm gonna go figure out what I'm gonna do for tonight's live at 8:30. So make sure you guys hop on over to the fan page And we are giving away a $20 Amazon gift card, and hopefully we'll give 2 away tonight if we hit our goals, but we can only do that with your help. So we'll see you guys at 8:30.
Bye, guys.
Bye.